The FBI arrested Nasir Ahmad Tawhedi after unearthing his plot to carry out a large-scale attack on public crowds on Election Day. Tawhedi is believed to have entered the country during the United States withdrawal from Afghanistan. Republicans are vocalizing concerns about the Biden administration's vetting process as they airlifted out thousands of Afghan people. The government created a new visa category known as the Special Immigrant Visa Program, used for those who helped the United States during the war. Screeners have access to classified databases, which flag criminals and people on the terror watch list to avoid admitting a dangerous person into the United States. Governments share information on dangerous people, though data from the Afghanistan government may be hard to come by for United States screeners. The U.S. and other partner nations evacuated more than 120,000 people from Afghanistan in 2021.
We will admit into the United States after the screening and vetting is completed, and we're assured that there is no derogatory information that creates a risk to the American public.
Almost none of the 82,000 people airlifted from Kabul in August were vetted before being admitted to the United States, according to a congressional memo. Senior officials across the Departments of Homeland Security, Defense, State, and Justice described a disastrous screening and vetting process in the memo, drafted by Senate Republicans. Mayorkas instructed federal law enforcement officials to admit Afghans and release them into the United States on a 2-year basis, where they will be expected to follow up with authorities. This process is referred to as parole. Parolees will be held at domestic military bases for the time being, but are expected to be released into the country within days with the help of refugee assistance groups.
We will admit individuals who are in the application process for their special immigrant visas, but have not yet received those visas. We will admit individuals who worked for our embassy in the United States. We will admit vulnerable Afghan women and girls, journalists, and other constituencies that need our relief.
Parolees are supposed to check in with immigration authorities at a future date.